How to find account and routing number on Capital One app. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So head over to Capital One. For that, you can download or go to their website and log in into your account. Once you are logged in on your home screen, you will be finding these options. So you can tap on the account checking or savings for which you need the routing number and account numbers for. So you can just go ahead and click on one of them. And once you go there, you can look out for a section labeled as account info or view account details. Just go ahead and click on it and it will give you all the options, including the account and routing number that you're looking for. And that is it. So this is the way you can get displayed with the account and routing number on Capital One. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.